Hey everybody, my name's Trinh. Welcome to this tutorial on film and VFX animation. I'll say a little bit about myself. I've been in the industry for around 20 years. I've worked for companies such as Ghost VFX, the moving picture company, Double Negative, and Industrial Light and Magic. Over that period I've worked on a lot of films, including some of the big franchises such as Jurassic World, Avengers, Star Wars, Harry Potter, and many others. In this tutorial I hope I'll share some of the insights and knowledge that I've picked up over the last 20 years, and I'm sure I'll learn a few things myself as well. I'd also like to say it's a huge honor to be here doing this tutorial for Nomon. I've been a huge fan and they have some amazing artists, and I'm really proud to be doing this tutorial for them here today as well. So without further ado, let's go.